I'm gonna use this. It's a great experience. As you can see, I'm tracking a storm, but it doesn't really matter. This is what really matters, how they work, how this work. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Very easy to use. As you can see, you can easily move the mouse like a mouse, very friendly, very useful. And I have a lot of apps here. You just click on something, hurricane. Let's go back to the hurricane tracker. And so you can go to, I don't know, next player. No video found. It's very simple to use. I don't know what I can tell you, and even the power button work with this. It's a universal one. There you go. Turn it off. Sorry, I'll move it. Turn it off, and there you go. Okay, awesome, right? Turn it on again, and there you go. Love it. Wonderful. Bye. That's it.